Many of today's compact fruit cultivars and modern rootstocks produce smaller bushes and trees and are geared towards smaller gardens. Choose rootstocks and varieties recommended for growing in pots and give them the very best chance by placing your pots in the best possible spot that most fruits thrive in sunshine. Fruit trees, shrubs and plants grown in pots will need watering and feeding more regularly than those planted in the ground. Keep your fruit in pots well watered and fed, and you'll soon be harvesting your own delicious crops. Apples. Thanks to dwarf rootstocks, apples now grow well in pots. Grow them in as large a pot as you have space for and give them a sheltered, sunny spot. If you only have room for one plant, choose a self-fertile variety or a family tree, onto which several apple tree varieties are grafted. Blackcurrants. Blackcurrants are attractive plants and the flowers are useful to bees. Mix several handfuls of grit into the compost and place in full sun. To encourage plants to develop shoots from the base, plant them deep, about 6 centimeters below the soil mark of the original container. Blueberries. Blueberries need acidic soil, which is easy to provide in a pot. Choose a peat-free ericaceous mix. They also have pretty fruits and flowers, and attractive autumn leaves. Give them a sheltered, sunny spot and water with rainwater rather than tap water if possible. Protect the ripe fruits from birds. Cherries. Cherries bear masses of blossom in spring, plus summer fruits, and often vivid leaf color in autumn. Sweet varieties need sun, while sour varieties, such as Morello cherries, tolerate more shade. They are shallow-rooted, so water well in their first year and in any dry spells. Figs. Figs are perfect for containers as they fruit better when their growth is restricted. Give them a warm, sunny spot and keep well watered. Not all figs are fully hardy in the UK, so make sure you choose a hardy variety recommended below. Gooseberries. Gooseberries are very productive, so you'll get plenty of fruit in small space. They grow best in a sunny, sheltered spot, although they will bear some fruits in shade. Leave space around the pot as gooseberries to ensure good airflow around the plants. Plums. Plums in pots can also be moved to the right spot to protect early flowers from frost, covering with fleas if necessary. Plums need good drainage, so add plenty of grit to your compost. Choose a self-fertile variety if you only have room for one plant.